Get silky soft skin in just 5 minutes. Achieving silky soft skin is often considered a time-intensive process requiring expensive products and treatments. But what if you could transform your skin in just 5 minutes using simple and effective techniques? Whether it's for a special occasion or part of your daily routine, these tips will leave your skin soft, smooth, and glowing in no time. Let's dive into the secrets of achieving silky soft skin using natural remedies, quick treatments, and essential habits. The science of silky skin soft, smooth skin results from a balanced combination of hydration, exfoliation, and proper care. The outermost layer of the skin, the stratum corneum, plays a critical role in keeping skin hydrated and protected. When this layer is well nourished, it reflects light better and feels velvety to the touch. Factors such as dry air, lack of moisture, and harsh products can compromise its integrity. That's where quick yet effective remedies come in to restore balance and softness. Step 1. Start with gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation is a crucial step for silky skin, as it removes dead skin cells that cause roughness. Here's how to exfoliate effectively in just a few minutes. DIY sugar scrub. 1. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon honey. 2. Method. 1. Mix the ingredients to create a gritty paste. 2. Gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Rinse with lukewarm water. The sugar granules act as a natural exfoliant, olive oil hydrates, and honey soothes the skin. This quick scrub reveals fresh, smooth skin instantly. Dry brushing. If you're short on time, dry brushing is an excellent alternative. Use a soft, bristled brush and gently brush your skin in upward strokes. This stimulates circulation, sloughs off dead cells, and preps your skin for hydration. Step 2. Hydrate with a DIY lotion. The secret to lasting softness lies in deep hydration. A homemade body lotion is a quick and natural solution for dry or rough skin. 5-minute DIY lotion recipe. Ingredients: 1. 2 tablespoons shea butter. 2. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 3. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. 4. 3 drops lavender essential oil method. 1. Melt the shea butter and coconut oil in a microwave-safe bowl. 2. Add aloe vera gel and essential oil, mixing well. 3. Let it cool slightly and apply generously to your skin. This rich blend absorbs quickly and leaves your skin velvety soft without any greasy residue. Step 3. Lock in moisture immediately. Moisture retention is key to achieving silky skin. After applying lotion, take these additional steps. 1. Pat your skin dry instead of rubbing after a shower to maintain moisture. 2. Apply lotion to slightly damp skin for better absorption. 3. Seal your skin with a light layer of natural oil, such as almond or jojoba oil, for extra hydration. Step 4. Quick steam therapy. Steam therapy is a highly effective way to soften skin by opening pores and enhancing hydration. It's perfect for both the face and body. How to do it in 5 minutes. 1. Fill a bowl with hot water and lean over it, covering your head with a towel. 2. Allow the steam to envelop your face or any part of your body. 3. Follow up immediately with a moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Steam therapy enhances blood flow and prepares your skin to absorb nutrients from your skincare products. Step 5. Overnight tricks for long-lasting softness. For more sustainable results, nighttime care is crucial. While this may take more than 5 minutes, these quick tips enhance the softness achieved during the day. Silk pillowcases. Switching to a silk pillowcase can reduce friction and irritation on your skin, keeping it smooth and hydrated overnight. Overnight hydration masks. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel or a lightweight overnight mask before bed. It locks in moisture and ensures you wake up with soft, glowing skin. Step 6. Hydrating foods and drinks. Your diet plays a vital role in skin health. While external treatments work wonders, internal hydration and nourishment are equally important. 1. Water. Drink at least 8 glasses a day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. 2. Healthy fats. Include avocados, nuts, and seeds in your diet for skin-nourishing omega-3 fatty acids. 3. Vitamin C-rich foods. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers boost collagen production, enhancing skin texture. Step 7. Quick fixes for busy days. sometimes you need an instant glow without time for a full routine. Try these. 1. Sheet masks. These pre-soaked masks provide hydration and nourishment in under 5 minutes. 2. Facial mists. Spritzing a hydrating mist can instantly refresh and soften your skin. 2. Look for mists with rosewater or hyaluronic acid. 3. Makeup hack. Mix a drop of facial oil with your foundation for a dewy, soft finish. The role of regular care. While these quick remedies provide instant results, incorporating regular skincare practices ensures long-term benefits. Make a habit of moisturizing daily, exfoliating twice a week, and protecting your skin with sunscreen to maintain its softness. Why natural remedies work best? Natural remedies are free from harsh chemicals, making them safer for prolonged use. Ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, and aloe vera not only provide hydration but also offer additional benefits, such as soothing inflammation and protecting against environmental damage. Achieving soft skin for all seasons. Different seasons pose unique challenges for skincare. Here's how to adapt your routine. 1. Winter. Focus on rich oil-based moisturizers to combat dryness. 2. Summer. Switch to lighter lotions and include aloe vera gel for its cooling properties. 3. Rainy season. Exfoliate regularly to prevent clogged pores caused by humidity. Conclusion. Getting silky soft skin in just 5 minutes is entirely possible with the right approach. From gentle exfoliation and hydrating lotions to steam therapy and overnight tricks, these methods cater to every skin type and lifestyle. By incorporating these steps into your routine, you'll not only enjoy immediate results, but also achieve long-term skin health. Silky soft skin is no longer a luxury. It's a quick, achievable goal. So why wait? Pamper yourself today and let your radiant, soft skin shine.